I'm here today with Tiffany Albavera, one of our fantastic team members at the Star Home team, and just a couple questions.
Yeah.
So, Tiffany, how would you describe the vibe here?
I would describe it as my second home. I can come in here and just be in a bad mood or just be down, and the minute I walk in and get a hi from Lisa, our receptionist, and just see the colors and the vibe, I feel relaxed, I feel at home, and I never leave in a bad mood, ever. Like, there's always laughter.
You know what, that's what we've heard from others, almost verbatim, so
Yes.
that makes me feel good to hear that. That's what we strive for. We strive to truly mean family first here.
Absolutely, and that's one of the main things that I look for in a brokerage, and that has been exactly what you guys have offered from day one. I appreciate it. You guys embrace it wholeheartedly.
So what do you think sets us apart from other teams?
I would say that you guys as a management team are so invested in educating us always and improving just the business and the profession in general by providing us with the education and the background and the knowledge so that we can educate our clients and represent them accordingly is, I think, one of the biggest things that anyone that is in the profession appreciates. You guys are dedicated to us.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So Tiffany, in your opinion, what makes our team unique?
So I truly feel that our team is like a melting pot. We have so many different personalities, yet we're able, and we come from different backgrounds, and yet we're able to get along with one another. We support each other wholeheartedly. We're always there encouraging one another and wanting the best for each one of us. And I love that we can all depend on one another. We can seek feedback from somebody's background to another person, maybe to deal with another client or a situation. And people are just willingly open and available to help us always. You don't get that in other places.
I like to hear that because we have worked very hard to make it a very diverse and inclusive team.
Absolutely. It's 100% diverse and inclusive. And I think that if you're looking for that, that feel and the opportunity to grow, this is the place for you, no matter what.
Very good. We do put our client first. Well, we put family, your family, absolutely first.
100%.
Then our clients, and then the team and the brokerage.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. And family is everything. And you guys do a fabulous job of making that happen always.
Very good. I appreciate that. So if you could summarize what it's like to be on the Star Home team in a few words.
Sure. I would say it's fun, first and foremost. Family, because it's like a family here, no matter what. And I would say opportunity. Those would be the three best words for me to describe being on this team. Fun, family, opportunity.
Well, I appreciate that, and we love that you're part of our family.
Absolutely. Thank you. I'm blessed to be with you guys.
Thank you.